Hello friends, 2012 Audi A6. It's a car, it won't start, it's got some kind of an issue, we don't know what it is yet. They just dropped the car off here in the shop and we want to move it, right? We want to put it in neutral, but it's a push button, so you can't put the key because to release the shifter, all right? So we're going to show you right now how to put it in neutral, all right? All right, now we're in here. You can see here's the shifter. So you gotta push this thing up, take all your coins out, and then, and if you can see, there is this plastic thing right here. You gotta pop it out, pop it up, like just like this. See? Okay. So now once you pop it out, pop that out, there is gonna be a bottom back there. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a golden bottom right there. So you just gotta push that one down, push it down, and then, all right, there you have it, friends. How to put your car in neutral. All right, don't forget to put everything back. All right, if you have any questions or comments about this car, leave it in the comments below and make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you next time.